Hi, this is Gary. Today I'm going to show you how I convert my grayscale painting to color painting. This technique is really simple. So let's get started. First step, you need a grayscale painting. So do it right now and do it fast. I'm waiting for you. So here's mine, and you may have already made a grayscale painting, or you can do it after watching this video. Depends on you. First, make a new layer and set the blending mode of this layer as a color and start painting with the color you like. You can make as many layers as you need for different part of your painting, like hair, skin and clothes. For this video, I'm going to use only one layer. Try to add some color variation and ambient occlusion depending on how much you know about color theory. I'm not going to talk about color theory in this video because we deserve another video. I can make it. At this point you can stop if you like the results, but why stop here? Let's make a new layer and add some final touches to this painting. After this we are done. So here's a final painting. You can see it looks pretty good, and I'm actually surprised with the results. Here's some old version that I've tried. I am just really new to this technique. I made a 2 painting, and after the third one I just like the results, so I make this video because I think I have a pretty much good understanding about how this technique works, and I'm going to improve and make new videos on that in future. For this video, I hope you like it. Thanks for watching this video. As you can see, YouTube doesn't pay me for making these videos. If you like this video, it motivates me to make this kind of content, and I hope I can do it full time. For that, I need your support.